Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily add text color in Google Docs. So keep watching. In this video I will show you very easy and simple steps to change color and add color in your Google Docs. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open Google Docs. Okay, so you must logged in with your Gmail account, so you will get these options. So here we are simply type docs.google.com, and friend, here you can see that these are the templates which is showing over here. By these templates you can create many things like brochure, resume, letter, and project proposals like that. Okay, you can use it, but for now we are going to click on this blank document. Okay, and friend, here we are going to type something, right? So what we will do here, we are going to add some dummy tags, so we get the idea how you can easily change the color and all. So simply we are going to copy this text and paste over here, right? And again we are going to copy this type of text and paste here. Okay, this is the sample thing which I want to share with you guys, so you will learn something new. So now friend, you can see that I have 3 paragraphs with 3 headings. Here we want to change colors. Okay, so simple steps. First thing first, you simply select the paragraph. Okay, and when you select the paragraph, then friend, you can see this is the toolbar. Okay, and here you can see that this is the editing mode, so you can easily edit text and all things you can do. So friend, here you can see that this text color option which is showing over here, so simply click on it, and friend, you can see that lots of colors are available. You can change any color which you want. Okay, so let's change some colors over here, so you will get the perfect idea, right? So we are going to change different colors first. Okay, by this way you can easily do that. Okay, so friend, here 2 types of colors are available, like dark colors and light colors. Okay, so here you can see that this is the dark colors, and when we going up from here to here, so that will be light color. Okay, and this is the natural color like red, so that will red, and if you want to do the dark red, so you can use it. Okay, for example, we are going to change dark red color, so you can see that this is the dark red color. Okay, now we are going to change other dark color with green like this, so you can see that. Okay, and here you can also add custom colors, right? So if you want to use custom colors, you simply click on this pick button, so you can pick any color from your screen. Okay, for example, if I want this Google Doc color, okay, you can simply move this mouse and then you can simply select that color. Okay, so by this way you can also do that. And custom colors, let's see about some new things into, so click on this way and then click on this plus icon. So friend, when you click on this plus icon, then you will get many options here like RGB color and hexa colors. Okay, hexa color, friends, basically a color code where you can usually use in programming things. So this code will give the perfect idea about what the color code is, so everybody can use very easily that code. Okay, so exact code will give you the exact color. Okay, so when I move this mouse from one place to another place, so you can see that this code is going to change. RGB color is also going change. Okay, RGB is basically a 3 color combination like red, green and blue, that's why it's calling RGB. So friend, here we are going to change another color like this. You can simply move your toggle things and you can easily change the color which you want. Okay, and if you satisfy with this selection, then you can simply click on this OK button, so your color will change. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can easily change color in Google Doc. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. And friend, this is a request to you guys, if you are coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.